You are tougher than your toughest day. It's really easy to lose sight of your resilience, especially on those super difficult days, because within those days, everything seems to go wrong and you feel like giving up, and your circumstances are really difficult to get past, right? However, if you think about it, every single thing that has happened to you, every single circumstance that you have been through and challenge that you have faced shaped you into the being that you are right now. Every single second prior to this one shaped you into the amazing human that you are right now. Each tough day taught you lessons, built your character, strengthened you, showed you confirmation, showed you what you loved, what you didn't love, what you hated. Reflecting on your journey, everyone forgets to do. Everyone forgets to reflect on where they were and where they are now. Once you start acknowledging your struggles and what you've been through, you also recognize your victories and what you've been through. So yes, you are tougher than your toughest days. And you have such a support system, whether that is your friends, your family, your partner, your children, your community, that encourages you and provides strength on these tough days. And if you don't have that kind of community, honey, we're right here. I am here for you. And you are crushing it, my friend. You are crushing it. So when you find yourself having a really bad day, hold on to this truth. The truth of you are tougher than your toughest day. And you need to start not looking at challenges as a negative, but embracing them and allowing them to flow through, because you are growing through them. And you should never underestimate yourself and never underestimate the capacity that you can overcome. Believe me, once you start believing in yourself and your journey, trusting you, trusting yourself, and trusting the universe, you will get stronger, and you will realize and notice the strength that you have when you do come up to a difficult thing, a difficult task, a difficult event, a difficult day. Those toughest days mold you to who you are and who you are supposed to be and become. They are your catalyst. They help you grow, and they help you to continue to push forward. That is the daily message today. Thank you so much for joining. Again, I am CG from the Galactic Soul. I try to post as many daily messages as I possibly can. So if you love a good oomph, a little bit of motivation in the morning, definitely hit subscribe. And if this resonated, I would greatly appreciate that. But I also love reading comments. So if you have anything to give on this topic, definitely leave it in the comments below or share it with a friend. Thank you so much again for being here today. And I'm sending you so much love and light. Remember to always be yourself.